So we just finished the first week of the month, the first week of the year, and already 25% of people have abandoned their New Year's resolution. By the end of the second week, that number would have jumped to almost 40%. And by the end of the year, less than 10% of people would still be keeping their New Year's resolution. Why? Well, the reasons are numerous, but usually it's, people are way too vague, like, oh, I want to become a better person. What does that really mean? Does it mean you want to be more empathetic? Does it mean you want to communicate better? Or, I want to get fitter. Again, does it mean you want to be able to run a marathon or be able to lift 200 pounds? We don't know, right? The other thing is I think people just have very unrealistic expectations and unrealistic time frames. So for example, you want to lose 20 pounds and if you go to the gym now, they're all crowded. Give it a week and the numbers would have dwindled significantly, right? People expect to lose all that weight that they took an entire year to put on in the first week. So that's not realistic, right? Those expectations just aren't going to be realized. And so I want to encourage you to be patient with yourself. Give yourself a chance to achieve your goals, right? And so don't lose that drive, as I said before. Keep that fire going and recognize that it is going to take some time. So work consistently. Take your time doing the things that you need to do methodically. Consistently over the year, right? Give yourself the year to achieve your goals. Just don't give up, man. Don't give up on yourself. Be patient with yourself. If you do that, I promise you the rewards will be well worth it. So keep on pushing.